Hello, my amazing learners. Welcome. Have you ever wished you could learn English faster without spending endless hours memorizing vocabulary, struggling through grammar exercises, or sitting with textbooks that make you yawn? What if I told you there's a gentle, almost magical way to improve your English, even while you sleep? Yes, you heard that right. You can actually train your brain to absorb and remember English naturally while you rest. This idea might sound too good to be true, but once you understand how it works, you'll realize it's not magic. It's science, patience, and a touch of creativity. We all know that learning English can sometimes feel like climbing a mountain. You start with excitement, full of motivation, but after a while, things get tough. You listen to lessons, try to speak, but your words don't flow. You forget simple phrases, your confidence shakes, and you start thinking, maybe English isn't for me. But let me tell you something. That's not true. Everyone can learn English. You just need the right way, one that fits your life, your time, and your energy. And for many people, that way begins when the lights go out and your head touches the pillow. Let me share with you my personal story. When I was learning English, I used to study for hours during the day, but sometimes, no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't remember what I learned. I would listen to English songs, watch movies, and repeat phrases. Yet my mind would go blank when I tried to speak. One evening, while searching for new learning methods, I came across the idea of sleep learning. The concept of listening to English while sleeping. I was curious, maybe even doubtful, but I decided to give it a try. I chose a calm English audiobook, something simple and relaxing, and played it softly as I went to bed. The next morning, something strange but exciting happened. The words felt familiar. I could almost hear the rhythm of sentences in my mind. I realized my brain had been quietly listening all night. That's when I knew this method was powerful. You see, when we sleep, our brains don't turn off. They work in silence, processing what we've learned, strengthening our memory and organizing information. Scientists call this process sleep-based memory consolidation. During deep sleep, our mind stores useful information and clears away what we don't need. So, if you fill your environment with English, stories, gentle conversations, or affirmations, your subconscious mind continues to absorb and remember patterns, sounds, and rhythm. You may not consciously understand everything while asleep, but your brain is listening, learning, and adapting. There's even research to back this up. In one study by scientists at the University of Zurich, participants who listened to a new language while sleeping remembered nearly 40% more words than those who didn't. Isn't that fascinating? That means that while your body rests and recharges, your brain can still work, softly, calmly, and efficiently, helping you move closer to fluency. Now let me tell you one amazing story of success from a learner who tried this technique. Samira, a bright and determined young woman from Egypt, struggled with pronunciation. She could understand English well, but speaking fluently was her biggest fear. I suggested she start listening to English podcasts and bedtime stories every night, not studying them, just listening before sleep. For a few weeks, she did this consistently. One morning, she sent me a message filled with excitement. "Teacher," she said, "I just realized I said a full sentence in English without even thinking." Her tongue was moving more naturally, her confidence had grown, and she was beginning to feel the language. That's the beauty of learning through sleep. It trains your intuition. Let me also share another inspiring story. Leo, a hard-working man from Brazil, barely had time to study because of his busy schedule. He told me, "I only have time to breathe, not to learn." But I encouraged him to try something simple, play English affirmations while he slept. Phrases like, "I speak English confidently," "I understand English easily," and "I love learning English every day." They were short, positive, and repeated softly in the background. After a few weeks, Leo noticed something incredible. He didn't just understand better. He felt more confident. He said, "I don't know why, but I actually believe I can speak English now." And that belief changed everything. So, how can you do this yourself? The key is not to treat it like a magic trick, but as a helpful companion to your daily learning. Start by choosing the right audio material, something soft, pleasant, and clear. English bedtime stories, simple conversations, or relaxing affirmations work best. Avoid loud or fast content. You want your brain to feel calm, not overwhelmed. Next, create a peaceful sleeping environment. Dim the lights, adjust your pillow, and play your English audio at a low volume. Just enough for your ears to catch the words, but not loud enough to wake you. Your goal is relaxation, not concentration. Then, combine night learning with your daytime study. The next morning, listen again to what you played while sleeping. You'll be surprised to find some words or phrases sound familiar. Repeat them out loud, mimic their rhythm, and use them in simple sentences. Bit by bit, your mind will begin to connect the dots. It's like watering a plant overnight. You don't see the growth immediately, but one day you'll notice a beautiful flower blooming. And most importantly, be consistent. Sleep learning is not an overnight miracle, but a gentle daily practice. The more you make it part of your routine, the more powerful it becomes. Think of it as your secret nighttime tutor, teaching you through dreams, improving your listening, pronunciation, and even confidence while you rest. But remember, learning English while sleeping is not just about saving time. It's about making English part of your life. When you allow your brain to hear the language naturally, in songs, stories, and conversations, even while you sleep, you build a deeper connection with it. You stop treating English as something foreign and start feeling it as something familiar, even comforting. You start thinking in English, dreaming in English, and one day you'll wake up realizing you don't just study English anymore. You live it. So tonight, before you close your eyes, try something new. Play a calm English audio, maybe a story, an inspiring podcast, or a set of positive affirmations. Let the language flow around you like soft music. Don't force yourself to understand everything. Just relax, breathe, and let English gently become part of your dreams. Because learning English isn't about working harder. It's about learning smarter. And sometimes the smartest thing you can do is sleep. So go ahead. Let your dreams be your classroom. Let your mind explore words while your body rests. You might wake up one morning, smile at yourself, and realize you're not just dreaming in English anymore. You're dreaming of the person you've become because of it.